Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to access a private channel in Slack, you might notice it doesn't appear in your sidebar or search results. Private channels are restricted. Only invited members can see and join them. Let's go step by step on how to get access the right way. Step 1. Identify the private channel. Private channels have a lock icon next to their name. You can't join these channels directly, you need an invitation. Step 2. Ask a channel member for an invite. Reach out to someone already in the private channel and request access. Only existing members or workspace admins can add you. Step 3. Request access via admin. If no members respond, contact your workspace admin. They can add you directly, even if you're not currently a member. Step 4. Accept the invitation. Once invited, you'll receive a notification. Click Join Channel and the private channel will appear in your sidebar. Step 5. Check notification settings. After joining, make sure your notifications are enabled. Profile preferences, notifications. Select alerts for that channel. This ensures you don't miss important messages. Step 6. Keep your app updated. Slack updates sometimes affect channel visibility. Make sure your desktop or mobile app is on the latest version. Step 7. Use Slack search carefully. Private channels won't show in general searches until you're a member. After joining, use the search bar to find messages or content inside the channel. Remember, there's no way to bypass private channels. You must be invited. Trying to hack or access them without permission violates Slack policies. Follow these steps, and you'll get proper access to private channels safely. See you in the next guide.